Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. This video will discuss top 20 common DevOps interview questions along with detailed answers for beginners in 2024. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. DevOps, development and operations, is a set of practices that combines software development or dev, and IT operations or ops, aiming to shorten the system's development life cycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. Here we will see top 20 DevOps interview questions along with detailed answers. Each answer is designed to provide comprehensive information on the topic. The questions cover various aspects of DevOps, including tools, practices, culture, and automation. Question 1. What is DevOps, and how does it differ from traditional software development and IT operations? Answer. DevOps is a cultural and professional movement that focuses on communication, collaboration, and integration between software development and IT operations. It aims to automate the process of software delivery and infrastructure changes. Unlike traditional approaches where development and operations work in silos, DevOps emphasizes continuous collaboration and feedback loops. Question 2. Explain the concept of infrastructure as code or IAC. Answer. Infrastructure as code is a key DevOps practice where infrastructure is managed using code and automation. It involves writing scripts or configuration files to define and provision infrastructure resources. This approach ensures consistency, scalability, and version control for infrastructure components. Popular IAC tools include Terraform, Ansible, and Puppet. Question 3. What is continuous integration and continuous deployment or CI/CD? Answer. Continuous integration or CI is the practice of automatically integrating code changes from multiple contributors into a shared repository. It involves running automated tests to ensure that the integrated code is of high quality. Continuous deployment or CD takes this a step further by automatically deploying code changes to production environments after successful CI. Question 4. Can you explain the concept of version control and its importance in DevOps? Answer. Version control is the practice of tracking changes to code and other files over time. It helps teams manage and collaborate on projects efficiently. In the context of DevOps, version control is crucial for maintaining a single source of truth, tracking changes, and enabling collaboration among developers and operations teams. Git is a widely used version control system. Question 5. What are microservices, and how do they relate to DevOps? Answer. Microservices is an architectural approach where a large application is broken down into small, independent services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently. DevOps complements microservices by providing the automation and collaboration needed to manage the complexity of deploying and maintaining numerous small services in a distributed environment. Question 6. Explain the concept of containerization and its benefits. Answer. Containerization involves encapsulating an application and its dependencies into a lightweight, portable container. Docker is a popular containerization platform. Containers offer consistency across different environments, easy scalability, and efficient resource utilization. They contribute to faster and more reliable deployments in DevOps workflows. Question 7. What is Docker, and how does it facilitate DevOps practices? Answer. Docker is a containerization platform that simplifies the process of packaging, distributing, and running applications. It provides a consistent environment, eliminates "it works on my machine" issues, and streamlines the deployment process. Docker images can be versioned and shared, making it easier for development and operations teams to collaborate. Question 8. Explain the importance of monitoring in a DevOps environment. Answer. Monitoring is crucial in DevOps for identifying and resolving issues proactively. It involves collecting and analyzing data on system performance, application behavior, and user interactions. Monitoring tools help ensure the reliability, availability, and performance of applications and infrastructure. Popular monitoring tools include Prometheus, Grafana, and Nagios. Question 9. What is continuous monitoring, and how does it enhance the DevOps lifecycle? Answer. Continuous monitoring is the practice of regularly collecting and analyzing data throughout the entire software development and delivery lifecycle. It provides real-time insights into the performance and health of applications and infrastructure. Continuous monitoring enables teams to detect and address issues promptly, contributing to a more resilient and reliable system. Question 10. How does DevOps address security concerns in the software development process? Answer. DevOps incorporates security practices throughout the development lifecycle, a concept known as DevSecOps. It involves integrating security measures, such as code analysis, vulnerability scanning, and compliance checks, into the CI/CD pipeline. This proactive approach ensures that security is not a bottleneck and helps identify and address vulnerabilities early in the development process. Question 11. What is infrastructure as a service, and how does it relate to DevOps? Answer. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, is a cloud computing model that provides virtualized computing resources over the Internet. DevOps leverages IaaS to achieve scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. Teams can provision and manage infrastructure resources dynamically, aligning with the principles of automation and infrastructure as code. Question 12. Explain the role of configuration management in DevOps. Answer. Configuration management involves managing and maintaining the state of infrastructure and application configurations. It ensures that systems are consistent and adhere to desired configurations. Tools like Ansible, Puppet, and Chef are commonly used for configuration management in DevOps. This practice helps automate the provisioning and management of infrastructure. Question 13. What is the difference between blue-green deployment and canary deployment? Answer. Blue-green deployment involves maintaining two separate production environments, one, blue, with the current version and another, green, with the new version. The switch between environments is immediate. Canary deployment, on the other hand, gradually introduces the new version to a subset of users before rolling it out to the entire user base. Canary deployments help identify issues early with reduced impact. Question 14. How does DevOps contribute to collaboration within cross-functional teams? Answer. DevOps promotes a collaborative culture by breaking down silos between development, operations, and other stakeholders. Cross-functional teams collaborate throughout the entire software development lifecycle, ensuring a shared understanding of goals, faster feedback loops, and a collective responsibility for delivering high-quality software. Question 15. What is shift-left testing, and why is it important in DevOps? Answer. Shift-left testing involves moving testing activities earlier in the development process, allowing issues to be identified and addressed sooner. This approach helps catch and fix defects early in the lifecycle, reducing the time and cost of fixing issues in later stages. Automated testing, continuous integration, and collaboration between development and testing teams are key components of shift-left testing in DevOps. Question 16. Explain the concept of immutable infrastructure in DevOps. Answer. Immutable infrastructure is the practice of treating infrastructure as code that, once deployed, is never modified in place. Instead, any change results in the creation of a new version of the infrastructure. This approach enhances consistency, predictability, and repeatability, making it easier to roll back changes and maintain a stable and reliable environment. Question 17. How does DevOps address the challenge of cultural transformation within organizations? Answer. DevOps emphasizes cultural transformation by fostering a culture of collaboration, shared responsibility, and continuous improvement. It requires breaking down traditional silos, encouraging open communication, and promoting a mindset of learning and adaptability. Leadership support and a focus on automation, collaboration, and feedback are key factors in driving cultural transformation. Question 18. What are the key metrics used for measuring the success of DevOps practices? Answer. Several key metrics help measure the success of DevOps practices, including lead time. Lead time is the time taken from code commit to production deployment. Deployment frequency. Deployment frequency is how often code changes are deployed to production. Change failure rate. Change failure rate is the percentage of deployments that result in failure. Mean time to recovery, MTTR. Mean time to recovery or MTTR is the average time it takes to recover from a production incident. These metrics provide insights into the efficiency, reliability, and resilience of the DevOps pipeline. Question 19. How can organizations implement continuous improvement in their DevOps processes? Answer. Continuous improvement in DevOps involves regularly assessing and enhancing processes, tools, and collaboration practices. Organizations can implement this by conducting regular retrospectives to reflect on what worked well and what needs improvement, encouraging a culture of learning from failures and successes, automating feedback loops to identify areas for improvement, embracing new technologies and best practices to stay current with industry trends. Question 20. How does DevOps contribute to achieving business agility? Answer. DevOps enables business agility by providing the ability to respond quickly to changing market demands. It reduces time to market for new features, improves collaboration between development and operations, and enhances the overall efficiency of the software delivery process. Business agility allows organizations to innovate rapidly, adapt to market changes, and stay competitive. Conclusion. In conclusion, DevOps is a holistic approach that combines cultural, technical, and procedural elements to improve collaboration and efficiency throughout the software development lifecycle. It involves practices such as continuous integration, continuous deployment, infrastructure as code, and automation to achieve faster and more reliable software delivery. Embracing DevOps principles can lead to improved collaboration, faster time to market, and increased overall business agility. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.